Hi, this is Busy Broadway channel. In today's video, I will show you how to view message requests on Facebook. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! Facebook created the Messenger service as another way for users to communicate with one another. And it is an app that will continue to function even if you deactivate your account Facebook. This app has grown to become the most popular chat app on the planet. And when someone didn't follow you and you don't follow them back, when they send us message, the message will not include it in main list. The message will include in message request. And how to see it? It's so simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Facebook. Now you can tap on your profile. You can tap on the upper right corner, the gear icon here. And you will see there is an option like archive chat, message request, and privacy. Now you can tap on message request. And here's all of your message requests on Facebook. You can open a chat to get more info, but who's messaging you, they won't know that you've seen until you reply. And when someone sends you this message, you've already read the chat, but they won't know that you've read that chat. You can also see your spam here, the spam chat here on the message request. So that is how to see your message request on Facebook. Not only from Messenger, you can also see the message request from your Facebook app. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!